Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the s. So this one we don't have s. That means when we do this integration in here, we just have only s. So we need to put the bounds from y minus z to zy. So this one I will put in here. Y minus z I will put in here. So we have like this. So we need to expand this one. Next, we have dy, so we just do the integration of y square and y square in here. So this one, we have z y to the power of 3 over 3. This one, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. The next one, we have z y square over 2. So we just apply the formula in here. And we put the bounds from number 1 to 2z. Now we put 2z go in here. Number 1 go in here. So if we simplify, we have like this. So we have a z to the power of 4 over 3 minus a z to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have 4z to the power of 3 over 2 minus z over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus z over number 2. Now we need to simplify. This one we have z to the power of 4. I will put in here. This one we have number 3 and number 3. We need to simplify. So we have negative number 2 over 3 z to the power of 3. This one and this one we have negative 5 over 6 z, and this one we have 1 over 3. So we apply the same formula of the power in integration. So I will put number 2 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have the final answer. We have 67/5. That is the end. Thank you for watching.